All right, so guys, I'm gonna talk about, because I'm gonna cover in detail all these three courses. I don't want to spend time talking about these things. So the Skillsync Technical Support Level 1 program consists of three different courses. The first one is called ISP Nuts and Bolts. So this is a custom training based course that focuses on the nuts and bolts, below the hood, or under the hood, sorry, rather under the hood, things that are happening in the telecommunication sector. So I'm giving you guys an insight of what they do in the telecommunication sector, so that you can see, you can get interested, see some of these things, and that will help you again even in interviews, because you actually know how an ISP is built, what constitutes an ISP, what are the kind of services they offer. I've seen people that come for interviews with diplomas and degrees, and they have no clue what is an ISP or telecommunications industry or whatever. So I cover a lot of those things inside that training. Okay. Then we have the CCST networking. So this is a Cisco program, an entry-level Cisco program designed uh, 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 designed to cover the foundational skills of networking. So we're going to cover that. Then last but not least, we're going to cover the Microtik. The reason why we add Microtik in that, so that's an MTCNA program. This is a program developed by Microtik. And the reason why I've added that program there is that you're going to find that when you get into telecommunications, small to medium ISPs use Microtik a lot, so it's a very, very good certification to have. You're gonna find it very, 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 very good. It's gonna actually increase your opportunity or your chances of quickly finding that entry level job. So we have, like I said, with our own ISP, we use Microtik for our routing. We use Microtics for our customer premises equipment. So it's a very, very popular product in a lot of tier 2 ISPs. Don't worry about the terms. We're going to talk about those in ISP nuts and bolts if you sign up, by the way. But anyway, so this is pretty much the roadmap of what we are going to cover. Last but not least, this program, and this one I want to emphasize. So this program, when it comes to the MTCNA, you are going to cover 80% of the stuff remotely. The 20% you have to come on site. So you have to come for a 2-day training. We'll cover everything in detail, but you have to do the 20% on site. So we're going to do labs, we're going to do a lot of things there. So, but you have to be on site for those 2 days. Okay. So if you're going to be doing remotely, it means we can only provide the training, but we won't provide the certification for you. Whenever you get a chance to travel, yes, we can certify you, but you have to be on site. Another thing is that this training is broken down into practical and theoretical. Uh, One of the things that we decided to do, because again, if you remember, this is a Skillsync program. When you're done with everything, you're going to get into an exam where we are going to simulate a real world technical support job. You're going to get 12 tickets that you need to troubleshoot. So somebody is going to make a call, you're going to answer the call, and we're going to explain the problem. We're going to give you the scenario, you're going to troubleshoot. So you're going to work as if you are actually working. We're going to give you access to systems to make sure that you can provide that assistance to the customer. So it's not just going to be your theoretical exam and things like that. We want to make sure that we get to train proper engineers. I think I've said a lot in this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.